All right, folks, let's cut to the chase. Starting your first online business at 16 or older? Heck yeah, let's do this. First off, forget about age being a barrier. It's all about mindset and hustle. Here's your roadmap to online business success. What gets you fired up? Maybe it's gaming, fashion, or coding. Find your passion and turn it into your business niche. Don't hold back. Let your passion drive you. 2. Spy on the market. Time to do some detective work. Check out what's hot in your niche. Where are the gaps? What do people need but can't find? That's your golden ticket. 3. Sketch your game plan. No need for a fancy MBA here. Just jot down your goals, who you're selling to, and how you'll make that sweet cash. Keep it real. Keep it simple. 4. Pick your play. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, selling your own stuff. Choose your weapon wisely. Go with what feels right for you and your audience. Get that website up and running. Slap together some killer content, and hey, don't forget to flex on social media. It's where all the cool kids hang out. 6. Launch like a boss, no time for cold feet. Hit that launch button and watch your dreams take flight. Be ready for some hiccups though, it's all part of the game. 7. Shout it from the rooftops. Time to spread the word. Get loud on social media, slide into those DMs, and plaster your brand everywhere. You're gonna mess up, but that's cool. Learn from your screw-ups and come back swinging. Failure's just a pit stop on the road to success. 9. Stay in the grind. This ain't no sprint. It's a marathon. Stay focused, stay hungry, and keep grinding every single day. Success doesn't come easy, but it sure as heck is worth it. 10. Level up with mentors. Don't be a lone wolf. Find yourself some badass mentors who've been there, done that. Just learn from their wins and their epic fails and use that knowledge to slay your own dragons. There you have it, amigos, your roadmap to online business domination. Now go out there and make it happen. The world's waiting for your awesomeness.